Today we have to discuss about a new topic, that is angle. Okay? Angle. In case of angles में beta we have to discuss basically 3 points. First one, what is angle? Okay? What is an angle? After that, symbol of angle, and then types of angle. Okay? In this topic we will discuss about its definition. Okay? Next, its symbol. After that, types of angles. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What are the types of angle? First we are going about definition of angle. That means what is an angle? Okay? Anyone? What is an angle? Anyone? Yashasvi? Do you know? Angle, that means it is a figure. It is a figure formed by joining two rays at a common point. Okay? It is a figure. It is a figure. Okay? Formed by meeting or joining. Okay? Meeting of two rays at a common point. Okay, student?
Yes.
Write down, make it fast. An angle is a figure formed by meeting of two rays, okay, at a common point. Is that clear?
Yes,
Next, in next case, example में, that means how you are going to represent an angle. Suppose that you have an angle AOB. Okay, an angle is formed as like this. Okay, that is your angle, and this is your common point. Okay, common point. Okay, it is also known as vertex. Okay, this common point is also known as vertex. Okay, that one will be your vertex. Is that clear?
Yes.
Name it point O, and its A point, that one will be your point B. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
These two rays, ray AO and BO, okay, these two rays are called arms of an angle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, in form of figure we can represent any angle like this. Okay?
Yes.
Next, symbol. What is the symbol of an angle? Okay? Symbol. In form of symbol, angle is represented like this. Okay? That is the symbol of an angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And next topic will be your types of angle. Okay? Next topic is your types of angle. Do you get the point?
Yes.
Anyone have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Types of angles. Types of angles. Clear? What are the different types of angles? Anyone, beta? Hauser.
From 0 to there are 7 angles. First is acute angle, second right angle, third obtuse.
You have to answer only what are the different types of angle only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear. There are basically 7 types of angle which is concluded in your syllabus. Okay? And we are going to according your syllabus only. Okay? There are basically 7 types of angle if we consider zero angle also. Okay, zero angles and complementary angle, sorry, complete angle. When zero angle and complete angle will be also concluded, then there will be total 7 types of angle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
7 types of angle. In case of 7 types of angle, we will discuss one by one, everyone. Okay. First will be your zero angle. Okay. Zero angle, according to its name, you know that the angle which is equal to 0, है ना? Clear? 0 degree. That means the angle which is equal to 0 degree is termed as zero angle. If we consider, beta, listen carefully, if A refers to an angle, A, that is a symbol used to represent any angle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
A is used for representing any angle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In case of zero angle, your angle की वैल्यू बेटा कितनी होगी? 0 डिग्री होगी. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle, that means the angle which is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Okay, if A is your angle, that one will be your acute angle. Clear? Then its value will be less than 90 degree. Okay, and greater than 0 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any problem?
No, sir.
Next, third division of types of angle will be your right angle. Okay, right angle. ठीक है? We are discussing their types according to ascending order. Okay, ascending order. That means the measurement of angles will be in order of increasing. Clear? First one will be 0, after that less than 90, then 90. That means right angle will be of
99.
angle equal to 90 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And you know that the right angle will be represented as like this. Okay, that is the symbol of right angle. Okay, it represents 90 degree. That one symbol represents 90 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, fourth point. At fourth point, acute right angle, after that obtuse angle. Okay,
Yes, sir.
obtuse
Angle.
angle. And according to ascending order, what will be its value? Anyone?
Sir,
हाँ, यशस्वी.
angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree.
Very good. Angle will be less than how much?
Sir, 180 degree.
180 degree. Less than 180 degree and greater than.
90.
Clear? In case of obtuse angle, its value will be less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. Okay? Most of the students getting confused among acute and obtuse angle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
बहुत से बच्चे acute and obtuse angle में बेटे confuse हो जाते होंगे, है ना? तो for your confusion, I want to tell you that acute, that means that is only for understanding. Okay? That is not a rule. That is only for understanding and learning. Okay? That is not a rule. Acute, in case of acute A, that is alphabet. A alphabet comes first in compare to O alphabet. Okay? A alphabet जो है बेटा O alphabet से पहले आता है जब आप alphabet पढ़ते हो. ठीक है? उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको जब भी उसको कैटेगराइज करना होगा, दैट मीन्स व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट the types of angle, then you have to first mention acute angle. Okay, before obtuse angle. Okay, and according to ascending order, its value will be lesser than obtuse angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear? अल्फ़ाबेट में ए लेटर पहले आता है इन कंपेयर टू ओ, तो आप मान सकते हैं कि जब आप टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स लिखेंगे बेटा तो उसमें क्या होगा, आपका एक्यूट एंगल ऑर्डर में पहले आएगा, दैट मीन्स इट्स वैल्यू विल बी लेसर इन कंपेयर टू ऑब्ट्यूज। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अब कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा इनमें बेटा आप लोगों को। नेक्स्ट है ऑब्ट्यूज, दैट वाज योर फोर्थ टाइप। नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ टाइप में दैट विल बी योर स्ट्रेट एंगल। ओके, straight angle, this type of angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
We will represent is as that will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, suppose that one will be A point, O point, and that will be your B point. Okay, clear? That is B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Straight angle. Next your sixth point will be reflex angle. Okay,
Yes, sir.
reflex angle है ना? Clear? Reflex angle. In case of reflex angle, Aditya, do you know what is reflex angle? Okay, anyone?
Right, sir.
Yes, Ujjwal.
Sir, the measurement of reflex angle is 270 degree. It is greater than one straight angle and lesser than complete angle.
Yes, very good. Okay, reflex angle, that means the angle which is greater than 180 degree. Okay, but lesser than 360 degree. Okay, angle which value is lesser than how much? 360 degree. Okay, and greater than how much? 180 degree. That will be your reflex angle. Okay, next seventh type of your angle will be complete angle. Okay, complete angle. In complete angle, the measurement of angle will be equal to 360 degree. Okay, anyone have any problem? I think we have discussed about the different types of angles. There are 7 types of angle. Once I just want to repeat the things. Okay, first I have discussed this angle, that means in case of angle what will be its definition. Definition में बेटा it has been already written here. It is a figure formed by meeting of two rays at a common point. Clear? After that, symbol of angle. Symbol of angle, that means in case of example the angles are represented like this. Okay, and symbol, that one will be your symbol of angle. Clear? Next, types of angle. According to types of angle, first one will be your zero angle, equal to 0. After that, acute angle, which will be lesser than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. And then your right angle, that will be equal to your 90 degree. And then obtuse angle, its value will be lesser than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
After that, your straight angle will be equal to 180 degree. Clear? Next one, reflex angle, that will be lesser than 360 degree. Okay, but greater than 180 degree. And next one will be your complete, that means कंप्लीट सर्कल, फुल एंगल, है ना। कंप्लीट में बेटा आप कह सकते हो इट्स मेजरमेंट विल बी इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी योर related angles. Okay, related angles. Related angles in your syllabus or in your book, it is given that there are basically 5 types of related angle. Okay, first one is your complementary angles. Okay, second one will be your supplementary angles. Okay, third one will be your adjacent angle. Okay, adjacent angle. After that your fourth one will be linear pair angle. And fifth one will be vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Clear? These are the basically 5 types of your related angle. First one is complementary, second one supplementary angle, after that adjacent angle, and fourth one will be your linear pair angle, and at last your vertically opposite angles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
First we are going to discuss, that means what is related angle. Okay, definition of related angle. Related angle, that means how you are going to define? Anyone? Related angle, listen carefully. Related angles are the pair of angles. These are the pair of angles related to each other with a specific condition. Okay, write down. These are the pair of angles related to each other by a specific conditions. By a specific condition, or you can also say that by some specific conditions. Okay, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next in next step we are going to discuss the different types of related angle one by one. Okay, first one is your complementary angles. Okay, in case of complementary angle, Yashasvi,
Sum of angle is 90 degrees per complementary angle.
if the sum of, okay, listen carefully, if the sum of any two angle will be equal to 90 degree, then these two pairs of angle will be referred as complementary angles. Okay, clear? When the sum of, you can write here, when the measures of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Okay, for example, there is two angle. First one angle is A and second one angle will be your angle B, and when we are going to add these two angles, they will give 90 degree. Okay, in case of complementary angle, listen carefully, in case of complementary angle, the pair of angles about which you are talking, okay, suppose I am here talking about angle A and B, the sum of these two angles must be 90 degree. Okay, if it is given that these are the complementary angle. Clear? You may use it as a rule also. Okay, as a rule. That is a rule for complementary angles. The sum of two angles will be equal to 90 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, there is a question. Suppose it is given that given में बेटा it is given that angle A and angle B both are complementary angles. Okay, it is given that angle A and B both are complementary angles. Okay, and also given that angle A is equal to 40 degree. Then how you are going to find out the value of angle B? What will be the value of angle B? Sri? How much? 50 degree. Okay, silence please. Yes, your answer is right. The answer will be your 50 degree. How you are going to solve it? Listen carefully. As I have already told you that in case of complementary angle, the rule is what rule? Sum of two angles will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, in case of complementary, and according to your given data, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Okay, that one is given 40 degree plus angle B, which you have to find out 90 degree. Okay, when we are going to solve for angle B, then 90 degree minus 40 degree, what will be your value? Angle B will be 50 degree. Okay, that one will be your answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, complementary angle. I think you don't have any problem. Okay.
No, sir.
Shall we move for next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second, supplementary angle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In case of supplementary angle, anyone?
Sir.
Ayush.
The sum of two angles is 120 degree is called supplementary.
No, your answer is not right. Aditya.
Sir, if the sum of two angles equals to 180 degree, then it is called a supplementary angle.
Very good. Very good. Listen. In case of supplementary angle, the sum of the sum of sum of measures of any two angle, ठीक है, any two angles. Any two angle, that means you may consider angle x, angle y, angle z, etc. Okay, any angle, that means that depends on your assumption. Okay, assumption, that means what you are taking. Clear? The sum of measures of any two angles will be equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have angle x, okay, and angle y. Their summation, that means sum will be always equal to how much? 180 degree. That can be used as a rule, okay,
Yes, sir.
for problem solving in case of complementary angles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. A question you have to solve. Question. Suppose given that it is given condition में बेटा it is given that angle x and angle y both are supplementary angle. Both are supplementary angle, that is given, and also given that angle y is your measures of 120 degree. It is written here that its value is 120 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And you have to find out the value of x.
Sir, may I?
हाँ, Ayush, how much? 60 degree. Very good. Listen. Sit down. Very good. Listen carefully. I have already told you that in case of supplementary angle, you can use rule. What is your rule? Angle x, angle y equal to 180 degree. Okay, that one will be your rule. Okay, and according to given data, angle y is given 120 degree, and you have to find out value of x. Okay, that one will be 180 degree, and when we are going to solve for x, okay, okay, clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
That will give you 60 degree. That one will be your final answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then we are moving for next topic. Okay. Next, complementary, supplementary. Okay, listen carefully. I just want to tell a trick about complementary, supplementary. That means most of the students are getting confused for supplementary and complementary. Okay, for some days you are also going to suffer from this problem. Okay, that means complementary angle में in हिंदी में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, सुना भी होगा, कम का मतलब क्या होता है? लेस, है ना? हिंदी में कम आप जानते होंगे ना, कम का मतलब क्या होता है? लेस. अब ध्यान दीजिए, लिसन केयरफुली. देयर आर टू पेयर्स ऑफ एंगल. फर्स्ट वन विल बी फॉर complementary and supplementary. ठीक है। थोड़े दिनों बाद बहुत से बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री में एडिशन ऑफ एंगल विल बी 90 डिग्री और 180 डिग्री। ओके, बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है। तो इसमें बेटा आपको ध्यान रखना है, कम दैट मीन्स COM, कम कम दिखाई दे रहा है, इट इज़ गिवन। यहाँ पे जो कम है ये इसका मतलब यही है, ठीक है। कम दैट मीन्स लेस। अब लेस दैट मीन्स व्हाट अबाउट लेस इन कंपेयर टू सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल, है ना। दो ही ऑप्शन में है, 90 डिग्री एंड 180 डिग्री। सम क्या होना चाहिए, या तो 90 होना चाहिए या तो 180। यही कन्फ्यूजन था कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री में 90 था सम या 180 था। तो कन्फ्यूज़न के लिए आप देख सकते हैं कि इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री दैट मीन्स कम दैट मीन्स लेस। ओके, लेस, अब 180 डिग्री से लेस 90 होता ही है, यू नो। तो बेटा आप ऐसे क्लियरली समझ सकते हो कि इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल its value will be lesser than supplementary angle. Okay, clear? And you may also understand that x plus y equal to 90 degree in case of complementary angle, but in case of supplementary angle a और x जो भी मान लीजिए बेटा will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you to all of you. Thank you.